Disaster Recovery Journal, Day 2. Certainly my favorite part of all these events is the chance to shake hands and hug necks with people that are doing peer-level learning and a tight community around BCDR all year round. Today I want to highlight the expo floor. Most of the conferences that I go to, you see software that backs up data and sends it to hardware or to your favorite cloud and some service providers or consultants. One of the things on this expo floor is there's a much wider variety of technologies in use, as well as service providers and expertise, because it takes a much broader set of capabilities for an organization to really achieve resilience. From an education perspective, the mic drop from the main stage keynote today was, if you're first leveraging AI as part of a business continuity strategy, bringing on an AI agent can be kind of like onboarding an intern. Will you eventually get some amazing productivity out of them? Absolutely. Will that first month be painful and bumpy? Absolutely. Best session of the day was on the alignment between cyber resilience and business continuity. And what made it so powerful was a 4-person panel along with peer level sharing. The 4-person panel included a CISO, included a endpoint customer organization, included a cyber insurance broker, included a backup software vendor. And looking at that broad range of capabilities really brought some unique insights to the session. Runner-up for the day was a session on BIAs and TIAs. I think too often, because we're so focused on making sure that the business process is honored, we kind of lose track of some of the technology dependencies that are there. Having a TIA that runs in parallel with the BIA can be a great way to solve that. The amazing quote of the day was, "Tabletop exercises are like Dungeons and Dragons for BCDR professionals and senior leaders." You go into a scenario thinking that you have all the answers and you're prepared, and you come out after an hour and a half, usually with some drinking, realizing how unprepared you really are. That's it for DRJ Day 2. We'll see you tomorrow.